fam. We're back with another video. We're doing My Lashes Almost Flew Out again. Claire and Queen, let's get into it. Oh, that looked like fun, y'all. They in Texas cake us in love and having a ball. All right, y'all. One little message to y'all. I really appreciate y'all watching our channel. Thank you for supporting Petty Reaction. Thank you, Petty Fam. And all y'all are automatically Petty Fam, okay? So if nobody else told you they love you today, I love y'all. I love you and appreciate y'all so much, all right? And hey, MH, what's up? And y'all keep watching. Let's get into it.
Oh, shit. Good morning, y'all. It's
Oh, my goodness. You saw Claire? He is about to have a fit, but that's too much fun. Oh, they looked all cute and handsome. And I like that look, sis. I like her look that she got in the tropics. Okay, sis.
our last full day here. I'm a little sad. It's a little bittersweet. I really had fun out here, and today we're going to be doing a couple of things. We're going to be going parasailing for the first time ever. I'm a little scared because I'm just a little scared because it's kind of like equivalent to a hot air balloon, but like it's not hot. You get it? Like it's just like you're kind of way up in the sky hanging on to something, but I feel like it's something I have to cross off the bucket list if I'm not gonna jump out of a plane. So we doing that, and then we're going to do a photo shoot today in the Clear kayak. I don't know if you guys ever seen that, but I seen that and I was like, when I go to Turks, I have to do it. I see everybody do it, and it's like you just can't leave Turks without doing it. So that's what we're about to do, and I just want to open up this vlog and just get it started. We already had breakfast this morning: fried eggs, avocados, toast, just the usual. And yeah, right now this is a view. Yesterday it was like a little gloomy in the morning too.
I love that view. I absolutely love that view, y'all. I'm gonna go to Turks, y'all. I'm naming and claiming, y'all. Definitely going there. I'm gonna sleep outside too. I'll be all bogus. They be like, what you got this big old expensive room for? I'm sleeping outside looking at the beach.
Like today, but the sun eventually came out. This is how it looks. But it is so hot outside right now. I won't lie to y'all, it's so hot, but it's such a beautiful view. Miss Julia came in and made our bed before we left, so that's done. This is what I have on today. This is actually a one-piece swimsuit, and it's real cute when it's off, but it got the little thing. But I'm wearing like this little knitted thing with seashells on it. And yeah, this is what's happening, y'all. I think Clarence is on the toilet. You on the toilet, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's on the toilet, so. Huh?
What?
I was just telling him that you was on the toilet.
Yeah.
And we about to go
You want to go parasailing?
Yeah. Yeah. Are you nervous?
Oh, Claire, he's so sweet. He handled his business and he's still trying to talk to us because he loves us, Petty Fam. Oh. Yeah, I think he gonna be excited. I hope they both love it. You know, like she said, you just gotta get your fears out sometime. You don't never know until you try.
Yeah, that's why I'm shitting.
What? We are here.
Oh, Claire. See, I love Claire. I really do. He honorary Petty Fam. Boy, I'm gonna give you a shirt one day. I'm gonna send you a Petty Fam shirt, Claire. I'm telling you. That's my boy. All right. Also, yeah, y'all comment below if y'all ever been parasailing. I ain't been. I'm a chicken, so I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna have to, after the example, I'm gonna have to try it one day.
Y'all, we are at the beach where we're about to go parasailing. Clarence is taking off his shoes. I don't know why he wears sneakers here. I told him not to. Huh? I told him that I don't know why he wears sneakers. But he said he's gonna take them off.
For some reason this trip I ain't bring a lot of slippers. I brought some furry shits that I can't wear in the sand and water.
Right. We didn't like buy the stuff for it.
What the hell? Where the hell do we go?
I don't know where we go, to be honest. Right now, this is really aesthetic. Walking in the sand.
White sand and crystal blue water.
ass boat that just pulled up to the beach. Oh no, this ain't us. Island Vibes Tours? No, this ain't us.
That's parasailing right there.
That's it.
It's about to get real, y'all. They pulling the big old whatever it is. Clarence is putting on a little holster. I'm so nervous. But it's beautiful.
What's it up? You nervous?
I'm very nervous.
So this is the couple that's going before us. Oh my God, this is exactly what we're about to do.
You talking about chicken? That's me, y'all. I'm sorry. I don't know if I want to see nobody go before me, though. You know, I feel like I could change my mind. I need to just do it by myself. I know you can't do that, though, but when I see them fly off the thing, I'll be like, oops. So I need to have somebody going to let me not change my mind. And I'll probably love it. It's probably going to be fun, but oof.
Yeah, we're in Paris.
Okay, y'all, so the camera would die as soon as we start to record, but luckily the guy that was recording us from my phone got some footage.
All right, shout out to the guy that got the footage. Thank you, sir.
So this is when we first got on. It wasn't as scary as I thought. I definitely would recommend you guys to do it if you haven't. It's very like peaceful when you get to the top. You see Clarence, he pulled the camera out, and then like soon as we started to record, the camera died. As you can see my face, I was like, my mouth was wide open. But yeah, this is the footage. The water was really pretty. We were going fast at a point, and I was all giggling. At a point, we got super high. I know it don't look like it, but we were high up there. And this is us coming back down. I had a little hard time getting off because my feet was slipping. But overall, it was a good experience. Next clip.
Yeah, Queen about to do this clear boat kayak thing. Like clear bottom boat. She about to get ready to do that, so I'm gonna get some footage of that. Yeah, she looking so good.
Okay, bikini look. Okay, sis.
Turn around a bit.
Show my
That's what I'm playing with.
Is that what I'm going on? Right now?
That's that a plastic boat, man. I'm thinking it's a glass boat. This water's a little cold. But the water's dumb cold, man. I was about to go in there, try to get some up close footage. I think I'm gonna just stay right here. I swear we've been to like 4 or 5 different beaches on this island. They got too many beaches. We went to Iguana Island.
No such thing. I want to go to all of them. Book it.
Went to the other shit that's at our resort, Rock Bay, whatever. Then we went to Grace Bay. Then the one we went parasailing at. Like, there's so many beaches, gang, and this one's big. All over there. All the way over there. I wonder how good these pictures are gonna come out though, because that's just a drone. A drone's not really good for pictures. They're good for like videos, BTS, you know what I mean? I wonder how good it's gonna be. I guess we're gonna see. Since the
I told y'all, Petty Fam, he on his gum. He giving them like some tips on how to get a better shot. I mean, y'all need to listen to Claire. Claire got ideas. All you had to do is have you know, there's different technologies. Like he said, the drone might be too high. You know, it's good for like a aerial shot, but like the kind of shots they want, you know. That hopefully they come out good, because I know she really wanted to do this.
sun and everything is not out. They said that she could take a picture and see if she like the lighting and shit, because obviously if she don't like it, then she don't have to pay for it. We was gonna do a couple thing, but I ain't wanna. I don't want to do no clear boat shoot. I feel like it's more for girls, you know what I mean? More for the ladies. So I came here to support her, so she don't come.
Sweet, you know. And then he big up in her, you know. All right, I see the love, but you could be a couple on the beach, right? You supporting your lady. That's all that count, bro.
So I think Queen's more likely to post these than I am. But right now, I'm starving. And I fake want to go to the conch shack.
Alright, y'all, so I finished my photo shoot and we're actually about to go tubing. They're picking us up on that boat right there. We're gonna be on the back of a couch, a tube couch. My top just fell off, y'all. We're about to put on, right now, put on our life jackets. Y'all, I'm excited. Why you sitting there looking like I made you do this?
I'm a little nauseous from the
Oh no! You're not going through a
I'm good though. This ain't nauseous at all. Okay. Boy, Queen keeps asking for more speed.
Come on, tube me. About to take off. We had to
tube me. I hope Claire gonna be okay. Poor thing. He look like he don't feel good. I hope he have fun, bro.
I can sign a waiver, but right, just check out the view.
Got the signals right.
This means faster. This means slower.
Yeah. This means okay. And this means cut.
Okay, cool. Got it. All right, y'all.
Want to see nothing but thumbs up, man.
We might not be able to take
He's going fast. He ain't drop petty fam. We all looking at people's feet and stuff. I mean, be careful with the family, please.
Okay, wait.
Hold on.
You just started going crazy, so we're gonna just record a little bit and then go faster.
What the fuck? It is unsafe.
I'm moving around too, like I'm in there. I'm like.
You said we couching.
That ass. In the water though. Oh, okay. Bro, this getting. Oh,
wait, look at this.
hold on to that.
I'm trying to hold it.
Here, give it. Oh, shit.
No, you know, I'll give it to you. You're gonna drop it.
Nah, give it to me.
Okay.
I got it. I'm here. Oh! If I fall in, I'm gonna throw the camera to you. And I'm just.
No, babe, don't fall in.
Nah, this gotta be illegal in like 32 states. Cause, oh, shit.
Yo, we gotta cut it. It's too fun. We gotta cut it, yo.
Yeah, so we just got back from tubing. Had a great time. Queen wanted to just hop in the pool.
Yes. Such a great feeling.
She came back and immediately hopped in the pool. We haven't ate all day, so we probably gonna be in the pool for a little bit and then get dressed, get some food. God damn, it splashed everybody.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You good?
Look at how nice Clarence look. Oh, he's
Check me out.
so cute. With your button up. I really wish you would stop wearing hats, babe. Not stop wearing, but Jesus, like it's a collar look. Like it's a formal look. No, you could bring your hat, but like sometimes, you know. Hold on. Sometimes we want to see you. You are fashionable.
The hat just go with the vibe.
They go with the vibe, but look at this vibe. This is more like grown.
Thank you. That's what I was gonna say. I said she going for the grown and sexy look. Okay, that look cute. I like the dresses.
Look, y'all. Look at us. We going out. We grown. This is the last night. We definitely should drink a little bit. And it's so funny for me to say because I don't.
No hat. You vote for no hat? What y'all vote for? Hat or no hat?
Take it off real quick.
No hat.
No hat, babe. Jesus.
I just don't want a haircut.
No, it looks nice. You got cute hair. We about to go to dinner, y'all. We're going to this this place called?
Definitely wearing glasses.
No, babe, please. Babe.
Who had no glasses, Claire?
Why you always gotta have a hat or glasses on? We know you cool, like.
That doesn't make me cool.
Come on. We know you cool. Just go, Clarence. And I got my little dress. I was gonna wear Rick's dress with the sneakers, but I just want to put on heels because I want to feel, you know, I want to feel pretty and stuff and feminine. Not to say that Rick's are not feminine, but I just want to feel a little bit more feminine than, you know, Rick's. This is so cute. But okay, y'all. See y'all at dinner.
We arrived at the restaurant. It's at this nice hotel. I'm not gonna lie, this hotel is nice as hell. Look at this.
Like, what the heck?
This.
Let me just show y'all how beautiful it looks in here. Like, look at how beautiful it is. Oh my goodness. And then when you go out, you can see the cabanas. You see the beach out there. This is fire. I like it a lot. So we're gonna look at the menu and stuff and just figure out what they got.
I have a question. How is this right here? Is this like a spaghetti?
Yes, sir, it is.
So nasty.
How is it?
These are tostones with shrimp, salsa, avocado. And Clarence has steamed.
I'm gonna get one of those. I'm reaching through the screen, y'all. There we go. I'm gonna get one.
Ooh, steamed dumplings. Chicken This is
Thank
dinner.
Oh, yes, please. Can I also, there was a different type of bread in here. Can we get that one also?
So we finished our food. I'm a little tipsy, y'all. We also got dessert. It's fine. We thoroughly enjoy our food. Clarence, what you give this? 1 out of 10?
Probably like 8.5.
8.5?
Nah.
And now he's about to have some Biscoff ice cream.
Biscoff ice cream.
I'm gonna have some.
Isn't Biscoff the cookie that be in the airplane?
Yeah. Probably gonna be good, right?
I'm about to go on an airplane.
And then I got a brown sugar apple puree with almond praline ice cream. I don't know what it is, but it's probably gonna be hella good. A little crispy, crunchy thingy right here. And yeah, y'all, it's so good. Y'all, I'm sitting here laughing because as soon as he bit into it, he was like,
Nah.
This is amazing. Yo, this is amazing too, I cannot lie.
You can't even speak. He like, shoot, family.
Frowning.
Try it.
Try the ice cream? It might be the same ice cream as mine.
You think so?
Oh, wow.
Let's see. Thought I was tripping. Want some more?
It's very good. I got the same thing. I got some crumbs in here. But, babe, this, I ain't gonna lie. You need to try this. Try the other side. I feel tipsy. Hold on. And that's where the vlog ended, you guys. See you next time.
Bye. Like, comment, subscribe. Share if you care. Click the bell to become part of Petty Squad. Love y'all. Take care. See you next time. Bye-bye. Have a good day.